everyone, it's Precious, and for today, let me tell you the 3 things I love about Miriam College Business Administration program. Miriam College gave me a lot of opportunities to enhance my potential, broaden my knowledge, and boost my confidence to help me excel in my career. I was given the chance to join competitions both locally and internationally. They also have a lot of student organizations, which exposes you to events relevant for your course and even lets you discover your leadership potential. Also, part of the MCBA program are international exposures. Where you are given the chance to go to other countries and experience their traditions and cultures. And lastly, the MCBA professors are just simply the best. They will inspire you, motivate you, and will provide you the quality education that you truly deserve. So I hope you won't miss out on the joy and privilege of being a KNOLLER. Enroll now and let your MC adventure begin!